If you can give me a few minutes of your time, I can tell you five businesses you can start in Nigeria right now. And trust me, these businesses are very, very lucrative. And the good thing about them is that they are not well saturated, but they can guarantee you daily income. So stick with me in this video as I take you through these businesses and how you can run them. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Choma, and in this channel, Earn with Choma, we talk about how to make money, side hustle ideas, how to save, and how to invest. In case this sound like what you're interested in, kindly hit that subscribe button. Click on notification bell now. Anytime I upload a video, you will always be the first to be notified. So, with that being said, let's dive straight into the video. The first business on my list is mobile car wash. This business is growing rapidly, not only in Nigeria but everywhere. Like it is everywhere, but not everybody is aware of it. So it's still very, very untapped. The business is replacing the traditional car wash that you know that a person will have to carry car to the car wash to wash. So instead of carrying the car to the car wash, you will be the one doing the business. You'll be the one to carry your services to the customers. Carry and meet the customers in their house, in their offices, churches, or wherever they are, and make money from it. Instead of paying for shop rent, because shop rent is not a joke, it will save you the money for this shop rent, and your own is just to carry the instruments and the washing agents and washing tools and meet the customers where they are, and they'll be willing to pay extra because people like convenience very well. So how you can do this is that you can start marketing this to them, like start marketing it to car owners around your side. For instance, you can go to estate. That is where you see a lot of car owners. Then you can go there, market to them, go to their houses. You can print cards, business cards, go to their houses and market to them what you do, collect their contacts so that whenever they need their services, they can reach out to you. So you market your business to them. You can also go to churches and market to them. You can go to offices. In fact, anywhere you know that you can find car owners there, that a place where they normally go to stay for some time before leaving, you can go there and market it so that when they need it, you can just carry your instruments and agents and go there and then do the services and get paid. So what you have to do is that you have to check the washing agent and tool that will give you the result you want, so that when you do a work for a customer, the person can refer you to another person, and that's how your business will be announced. Let's think like real entrepreneurs. You must not even be the person that will run this business. You can employ people that can do it, that like to do it, and they will do it for you. All you need to do is just to provide them with the right equipment, the right washing agent and tools, and they will do it and do it very well for you. And you being the boss, you can get the money they are realizing and then pay them their salaries. So you mustn't be the person that run this business. Once you have the ability, the capability to control it, you see that it will start making money for you, because it's a very, very lucrative business that is growing very well right now. The second business on my list is AI education. AI is already the future. AI has come to stay, and the truth is that it is not going down, not going to keep on going up every day. People use AI to do a lot of things, to research, to create videos, to create images, to create business plans, and even social media posts. A lot of that people use AI to do a lot of things, and it is not going to. It's not something that will stop anytime soon. And the truth is that many people know about AI, but a lot of them don't know how to use it. In fact, research says that over 1.7 billion people worldwide know about AI, but most of them don't know how to use it. So this is where you come in to teach people how to use AI, because there are some people that are very interested in learning how to use these basic tools. Because we are in the era where we have a lot of, for instance, upcoming content creators and a lot of that people that even bloggers that want to learn this. They want somebody that can hold them by the hand and teach them the basics on how to use AI to create posts and how to use AI to do a lot of things. So you can do it. I can learn it as a skill, master it, and be teaching people. Like there is one girl I know I'm following her on Facebook. I think her name is Adobe or something. I want is to create AI. I want to teach AI. She teaches people how to use AI. That's her job. Teach people how to use AI to research, how to use it to make videos, create videos, and a lot of that. And she's making money because people are registering for her classes. So AI education is something that is actually making people money right now because we are in the era of AI. Everybody is talking about AI. Everybody is using AI. So it's something you can give a try. You can start learning about it. You can start from any AI you are conversant with. For instance, you can decide to use Gemini AI, Chat GPT, or anyone you are good at, and teach people how to use it. Just anyone you are doing, make sure that you are very good at it so that when people need it, they can confidently come to you and know that you are the guru in this area. So AI education is something that you should think about and improve your skill on it because it's actually giving money right now. The third business on my list is childcare services. When I talk about childcare services, I'm talking about babysitting. We all know that we have a lot of busy parents these days that are busy with work or other businesses. And these parents, most of them leave very, very early in the morning and come back late. So they are actually looking for places where they can keep their children, a safe place that have trusted people there that can take care of these children while they are away. So you can start this business if you like children, if you love to take care of children. This is a very good business you can consider because it's actually very, very lucrative. And people like the demand is always there. People give birth on daily basis, people give birth every day. While in school, my friend gave birth and we were looking for a place to enroll the child in daycare. So when we went there, there was a place, one daycare we went around the school. We went there to enroll the child, and these people told us that there were no space, like there was no space at all for the child. Like they already had a lot of children under their care and they could not take more than that. So these people did not accept or like they did not enroll this child. That is to show you how lucrative this business is. Like they are not even looking for people. They are not looking for people that will come because people keep on coming. Naturally, they don't lack people. So this business is something, childcare business is something you can consider. It is a long-term business you can start and it will keep growing. The fourth business on my list is market errand for people abroad. We have a lot of Nigerians abroad these days, and most of these people they are missing home. They are not just missing their people at home, but they are missing our food. Food like gari, crayfish, dry fish, local spices, and a lot of that. So you can be the one that will be buying this food stuff for them and selling to them abroad. You may say that they have supermarkets over there, but some of them, not all of them, like to use the African supermarket there for reasons best known to them. So you can start buying this thing from local market and exporting to these people abroad. You can learn about how you can start exporting it. There are some people in Nigeria that are already doing it. So you can learn from them. I know some people like there's one woman I know that does this business. This is the only business she does and she's making money from it. Her own is every time her customers order for something, she will go and arrange all those food stuff and export them to them. So you can give this business a try because it's actually very, very lucrative. So how do you start this business? You can start first of all by joining some WhatsApp group that has abroad people over there. So from there you can start to market to them that you can buy this um food stuff for them. You can buy this one and buy this one. So when you now start getting orders, you can look for village market that these things are very cheap there around your side and start buying from them. So when you are done with the buying, you can now send it to them. Maybe through cargo, you can export this foodstuff to these people. So you just have to learn how this them people that are already into the business, how they do it, and you learn and you join and follow in the exportation business. So it's actually a business that is worth doing. And then the last business I'm going to discuss here is knowledge monetization. This is a very, very important and lucrative business because it's something that has to come with your brain. You don't even need capital to start it. So, what are the things that you know that you can teach us? What are those things you know you can teach us? Because everybody knows something. There is something you know that I don't know. There is something that I know that you don't know. So you just have to, instead of leaving all those things in your mind, start teaching people how to do this, how to cook, how to fry noodles, how to fry buns, anything you know how to do at all. Just teach people how to. There's somebody somewhere that don't know how to do all those things. It can be how to make a home, like all those small small ideas, small small skills that people underrate. They are really very, very important that people look out for. Like imagine somebody paying to be taught how to stay organized at home, how to arrange things at home. Imagine, like, there are some people, like, no matter how late to 30 you can see that something is, there is somebody elsewhere that needs that thing. So you can, anything you know at all, whether it is how to tie scarf, how to do anything at all, just teach people, and you will see that you start making money from it. Monetize your knowledge, stop leaving them in your head. I used to tell my friends that your knowledge, what you know, is God's secret way of telling you that this is what you can use to earn a living. Your talent is what God is telling you that this is actually the way you can use to make money. So you might not, sometimes you are even thinking so high, like you need to get a degree, do this thing, do your master, do your doctorate before you can make money. But those little little talent that you have in you, they have the capability of changing your life or taking you to that place you may not even think you will reach. So knowledge monetization remains the best and a very strong way of making money. So starting from today, think within yourself, what are the things that you know you can teach people, and start teaching it now. There are some people somewhere that you don't say who will listen to this, you don't say who will be interested. Many people will be interested. How you can start this knowledge monetization journey is that you can start by posting them on social media. Social media is already a very, like, if he has provided a platform for you to start marketing this thing without having to pay. So you can start talking about this, anything you know how to do, start talking about it, start posting about it. And before you know it, people will begin to identify you with those things. So start talking about those things, start teaching people for free for now, until they are very used to you, until they use that kind of, like, that skill to know you, then you will start making money from them. So monetize every knowledge you have, every tiny knowledge you think you have. Monetize it. Start talking about it on social media. Start talking about it on, like, any gathering you are where there are some people. Just start, let people know you with that, and you will see how God will just change your life with that. From these five businesses I discussed in this video, you can tell that you don't always need capital to start businesses. What you need is idea, action, and willingness to start. So which of these businesses are you going to give a try? And if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification, because it's a way of encouraging me to do more. Thank you once again for sticking with me to the end of this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.